Hi, it's Sherri from A Quilting Life, and I'm here today with the October Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. This is a really fun box. I'm really excited to show you what's inside and give you a few of my thoughts and ideas about this box. And spoiler alert, if you don't have your box yet, I know they've all shipped, but we are airing this on the first day that is possible for us to air this. So just wanted to give you that little heads up. Okay, so let's go ahead and open this month's box. When I saw the Fat Quarter Shop sneak peeks, I really did have an idea that I knew what fabric collection was going to be included, and I was right. It is the new collection, Country Rose by Vanessa Gertzen of Lella Boutique. And I'm just going to kind of roll this. It's a mini jelly roll, so you can see all the fun colors. I am so excited to have this in a jelly roll. I'm going to come up with a fun project. Can't wait. Okay, so the Bliss Quilt Along is once again, the quilt block is in there. Those are available for purchase on the website. This item, I wasn't sure what it was at first, but I looked in the book and it's a needle holder, and there are directions in here, but it's magnetized on this end so that when you put your needles in there, they won't fall out. And it also keeps them very safe. So if you have kids in your sewing room or whatever, it would be more difficult for them to get them open. And also, you can just throw this in your sewing bag and you have needles or pins, and just love that magnetized feature. So just a nifty little notion. This, at first, I wasn't sure what it was. I thought, a churn dash ruler? What? But it's really, really kind of fun. It's to hold your binding. So if you make your binding ahead of time and you want to keep it ready for a project, or maybe even take it with you, you can put it through there and you can wind it up, and it keeps it nice and folded, and it's kind of cute. I just thought, oh, I really like this, especially if you have something and you're going to use it again. Like this is actually leftover binding from another project, and so I can just wrap it up, and just kind of a fun little idea. Okay, this next thing, I'm not sure if you've ever heard of it, but this is a laundry soap that is very gentle for your quilts. And it is a bag with, I believe there are 3 different packets. Yes. So there's 3 different, this is scentless, and this is yuzu, which is more of a citrus. And then this one is, mint. So 3 packs of, and this is great for quilts. It's also great for, delicates. I've used this before. And the Soak company is they've got some great fabric sprays too. So it's really fun to get these samples of their soap. And I like that they have it in a plastic bag too, so that, there wasn't any problem. If there was a problem, it wouldn't have leaked all over the fabric. So really love that. Love, love, love. These pattern booklets are so much fun. This is a 2-of-a-kind booklet, and there are 2 patterns included, one by Lisa Alexander, one by Susan Aki. A lot of times Fat Quarter Shop will do this when a new quilting book comes out, and I happen to have that quilting book. I just love both Lisa and Susan, and I had my son Billy take this and get it bound for me. When I get a quilt book bound, I'm planning on making several projects out of it. So love this book, and love that they both designed mini projects for the Sew Sampler box, and they used Vanessa's fabric. So there's a table runner and there is a wall hanging, and they both use this fabric. So just really, really excited about this month's box. And then this is just a little card that tells you what everything is and what it all does. Okay, so that's this month's box. It's a good one. I know I'm 2 blocks behind now on my Bliss blocks, but I only have 1 more quilt that I have to make before I can start working on those again, and I'll have those for you next time. Okay, so that's it for the October Sew Sampler box from Fat Quarter Shop. I've got everything linked below if you still want to sign up to get these subscription boxes. We've got that link, and then the link for all of the products that are available separately. We've got that too. If you enjoyed today's video, please share it with a friend, hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thanks so much for stopping by.